4 ways to use the equity in your current home. Number 1, buy another primary residence, either using a HELOC, home equity line of credit, to buy your next home, and then, of course, keeping your current home as a rental property, or selling your current property using the proceeds to buy your new home. Number 2, reinvest in your current home. You can use a home equity line of credit to reinvest your current property. What if you're happy with the schools, you're close to, your work is close, your kids have a bunch of friends, you love the neighborhood, you can reinvest and make your current home a custom home. Just put some of that equity into your current home. Ambitions, third thing. What if you have a bucket list item, you want to travel the world? What if you want to start a new business? There's a lot of things that are involved in that personal ambitions that you can use your home equity line of credit for. And fourth thing, sadly, but thank God people have it, is protect yourself from foreclosure. You can use the equity in your home to prevent foreclosure. And right now, with foreclosures on the rise, people more than ever need that equity. Sometimes it's hard to access, but really, if you have the equity in your home, there is always a way to access it. If you have any questions about any of these, give me a call, Daryl, Hanna, 702-218-4585.